6th of September, I believe it is, and I'm on the way to the Retro Truck Show once again. Haven't been for a couple of years, but once again I'm taking the F16 H7 ROF. Oh man, as I'm sure you noticed in the last video I made of this old girl, I just absolutely love driving this thing. Oh, it really is my boyhood dream come true. So I'm on my way to Martlesham, going to meet up with my mate Ben, who's driving another friend's 143 up there for the weekend, and then we're off to Elmswell to pick up our mate James, who's also driving a 141, which is HC Wilson's. So we've got going to have a little convoy up there. Should be really good. Should be a really good weekend. Got a lot of friends I know going up there. There's going to be a lot of good trucks. So I'm definitely going to, put a video together of the weekend. I don't know how much driving will be involved as such, but I'll see what I can do. So yeah, try and get a few people's opinions on the trucks and things like that. But I mean, it's obviously going to be a bit late now, but for next year, if you are free at all and you can make the Retro Show, it really is worth going to. It's such a laid back, excuse me, real laid back vibe. There's no trophies or awards, so it really doesn't matter, what sort of condition really the truck is in, as long as it turns up essentially. And I think that just makes a whole different atmosphere to the place. There's no sort of one-upmanship. That's probably not the right real term, is it? But there's no pressure to get it clean. I mean, I'm hoping to run a hose over this truck if I can, but I don't think there'll be time, if I'm honest. So it's just going to be as filthy as it always ever is. So anyway, I'm going to get cracking with the trucking, and I'm going to definitely do a bit of filming of our convoy anyway. So I'll talk to you in a little bit. Well, here we are anyway. I don't know if you're actually going to hear the stacks on Ben's Scania, or whether you're just going to hear the ones or the one on the F16. We're just now leaving Martlesham to head to Elmswell, pick up the next vintage truck, a classic truck. Reflection of the Volvo in that stainless, a bit wobbly. Well, you can't always have the weather on your side, can you? But apparently this was forecast for lunchtime, though it's now 4 o'clock. So fingers crossed there won't be any more this weekend. I hope not. But then I guess summer is officially over now, isn't it? Scary as it seems already. We just had to stop with the 141 had a minor wiper blade issue. So given the choice, which do you have? 141, 143 or the F16? I know which one I would have. So this year is the 40th anniversary of the Globetrotter cab, so there's a bit of a display from Volvo. These fine examples from Matthew Kibble from Lancashire. There's the wonderful Roth. And next to it I believe that it is, apparently there was a factory option.
One in that generation.
Right, so showing.
This is a lovely looking Volvo, owned by a chap called Mike from Germany. Nothing modern, won't put anything that's not period on it. Up a dream. So one of the good things about the show is they open up all the museum for you. And this is one of the buildings housing a lot of the vintage vehicles. quite a machine tucked in here. So just a little bit more from the car museum itself. That is a beast.
Oh, I forgot to turn this on when I left. Oh, it's been such a great weekend. I've pretty much lost my voice, which a lot of people probably say it's a good thing. Oh, it's been fantastic. Loads of fantastic trucks, loads of great friends, and a few people who said they watch these and really enjoy it. So thank you ever so much for telling me. I'm really glad that you do. Like I say, as long as people enjoy watching them, I'll keep making them, because I enjoy putting them together. I can't believe it. It's now about 4:30, and I honestly don't know where the time has gone. You know, even just looking through some of the old photographs, we lost probably an hour. It's just such a great weekend. It's because there's no judging, it's so laid back. Honestly, if you've got the time, put it in your diary for next year. So I've just got to get the old girl back to Kent now. I've got no one to run with, everyone's gone. Country, because that M40 is so boring. So just going across towards Aylesbury. What's the 418? So yeah, we should drop on the 41 and then down to the 25 like that. Oh, my throat. Hoping to bang it straight through the sitting board. I don't really want to stop if I don't have to. I'll have to get some strepsils. I love that sound. Oh. Even on a Sunday. Oh, I managed to do that. Seems to want to use the inside lane on this crossing. So I will.
So that's it. Another successful retro show weekend. It's absolutely fabulous, as you can probably tell. I've just about lost my voice for all the talking, but it's just been such a great weekend. I really highly recommend it. If you've got the time and you can make it, come on down next year. Hopefully I'll be there again, we'll have to see. So anyway, for now, I'm going to load the bike up and get back to sunny Suffolk. Well, it'll be dark Suffolk by the time I get home, but it's been well worth it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you again soon.